Can you live in a world without men?
Not really.
Not really.
Yeah.
Why though?
Why live with girls only? Imagine men are so important to us. Yeah.
What's your type?
My type.
Yeah.
Me ni vibe no ni bamba. I don't know. My type. She just good looking. Someone who has future effort a lot. Someone with, I don't know.
Can you date a broke guy?
Look still. Yeah, I can. If I have my own money. Hata kama ako broke, he has to be working, like akuwe na effort kiasi. Akuwe na effort. Usikuwe broke alafu una akili.
Na kama ako kwa mzazi?
Kwa mzazi? Unanidate aje na hujafikiria maisha yako?
Wow.
Like, so you have to think about your future kwanza. Hufai kunidate kwa hujatoka kwa mzazi. Ni date when you have started knowing how to depend on yourself.